Mario!
Babe, he's gonna kill me.
I knew it! Holy shit!
Oh, are you doing this? Seriously, you doing this to me? There's something wrong with my Funko Pop. I remember when I lost my mind.
He thought the remote was his arm. Wait for his face. And at the end...
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day.
As in Shrewd Farms.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What's in my coffee? Hey? What's in my coffee? Oh, your whole leg! Oh.
Bet your male cat doesn't have cleavage like Bucky does. Look, your titties are hanging out. Put them away.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
Hey! It's your reflection, you idiot!
Meow. 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 Meow.
What are you looking at? Don't even think about touching me. Don't. It's a no, all right? Get those filthy hands. I don't know where those, Sharon. Don't. I said don't touch me. And you stink. Sharon, your kid stinks. What? I didn't. I barely even touched him.
I don't know, with the plan and what about I do can eat, look at all over.
Let's go, eat.
Hey, Nicolás, tranquilo. No le pegues. No. Hey, tranquilo, be nice.
What's a cat say?
Meow.
Betsy's still hanging out in her corner with lots of thoughts and feelings, none of which are good. Goodbye.
Look at this fucking bowling ball. Yeah, you. Whiny bowling ball man. Look at this little. Oh, he's so mad. Are you mad, sir?
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Give us the cheese.
Dude, you're getting cheese everywhere.